Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, May 1st, 2001, 10 am. Your Master is happy, my daughter. You cannot imagine how much he is being comforted by the messages he receives in this way. Like you, he is very tired. The exhaustion of the body affects the morale. You know that. The encouragement we lavish on him through these writings stimulate him. Sometimes he feels discouraged by all the difficulties assailing him. Discord among Abbasi's and between people in charge, jealousy being expressed among them, all that is trying for him. He must curb the movement of their ego, their crisis of power and behaviors, sometimes incomprehensible among beings that have already gone a long spiritual way. Thus are humans, disconcerting in many respects. By taking a new look at themselves and not necessarily in a favorable way, they let tendencies emerge to do a disservice to them. All these reactions are inevitable. All are moving towards a goal difficult to reach. What is not good in them must be eradicated at all cost so that their bad sides are brought to light. Man is uncharitable to his brother. He does not tolerate either a mistake or lapses whatsoever on the part of the others, and yet he himself doesn't react differently under certain circumstances. In the final analysis, what will remain of his long struggle is only the effort made by each one to progress towards the divine reality. This is how things are. Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, May 3rd, 2001, 12:39 p.m. To my dear son, for pity's sake, pull yourself together for the love of us. You cannot do such a purificatory work without undergoing consequences thereof. We all here experienced well the adverse effects of this cleaning. The divine alchemy, which consists in transcending evil, does not occur without greatly affecting the transformation element. You advance on a luminous road, my dear son, even though unavoidable and dark clouds obscure its visibility. Keep heart, may our love support you, whatever happens. We will come back toward you when our medium is in a better state of health. We must treat her gently. You have all our blessings, my son, Babuji Maharaj.